Welcome back to the channel, you Kookz. Today we're at Smith Rock with some of our friends from Descend on Bend and some people we've been traveling with. So Todd's gonna get us up on a 5-pitch, multi-pitch, however you say that. It's my first time. I'm a kook. So we're gonna get up there and see how this multi-pitch life goes.
All right, so we're here live at Smith Rock.
I just locked my keys in the car. Not the first time. That's a good one.
We're about to go climb a multi-pitch. We're very excited. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people.
Yeah,
5 first-timers.
Ooh.
4 first-timers.
No, you've done it? Okay.
Yeah, no, I haven't done it. Neil has.
Okay, gotcha.
4.
4 for 6. That's pretty.
4
Ooh.
Kooks.
And Todd is the guide. The dot.
We're excited.
And
Neil's trying to break in. So here's how you get in your van.
Neil.
Still waiting.
8:48.
Hurry up and wait.
Hurry up and wait. We got somewhere to wait on.
So we're back to waiting.
Waiting on a woman.
There's a slack line like right there going all the way across to Monkey Face, and then another one here.
All right, we're on the approach. Thomas's heart is beating.
It's very scary, but we're gonna climb up really high, Kevin.
Yeah, I'm talking my
Neil's not too worried. Ooh.
That might be the biggest fall I take all day.
Playing the anchor.
Yeah, I'm just confused.
All right, we have made it, and we are snacking on the Kook's favorite snack here.
Seaweed and sardines.
Seaweed and sardines.
Seaweed and sardines.
Mackerel's better.
Sardines. Seaweed and sardines.
We're aliens.
The alien's calling us weird.
You're eating my people. Just kidding.
You gotta get all that oil off.
We're about to go rock climbing, Kevin. We're gonna do a multi-pitch.
The first crew of Kook's is about to hit up.
Come on, baby.
Then us.
Yeah. I took off my visor so I look less kooky.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is this guy without the visor?
Yeah.
No, right? Thanks, guys. Thanks for the support.
Tying in.
First multi-pitch.
Team 3.
Smoke is high. So that's probably not even enough, huh? To go back on it.
No, this is perfect. It's a fist long.
Okay. Perfect.
All right, 2 pitches in.
Yep. Got our rope management down.
Dan,
And we have a sweet view
Oh yeah.
of these highliner there.
You probably can't see him on the.
And in the distance.
Here we are at first kiss, second pitch.
Climbing rocks.
Thomas is belaying.
This is a really dramatic version of what belaying normally looks like. Is that you? Yeah, that's me. All right. You ready?
Danny's
On
lead
belay.
climbing. How you feeling?
Scared. Everyone says I'm doing good.
Climb
though.
on.
All right, the last of the Kook's have made it to the second pitch.
Look at that view.
Damn, bro, you're high.
Woo! Hello down there.
They're like, who the
They
fuck
looked
was
up.
that?
Get us off. We're clamped up. We're about to hit the 4th pitch. You can see we're out here, you know.
We out here.
Vankookz, someone maybe around the corner. No,
No, not yet.
not yet. Feeling good though for the first multi-pitch. There's some fears, but it's pretty fucking awesome.
Oh yeah.
Thanks to Todd.
Todd
No problem. Dot.
Last pitch. It's kind of bittersweet because my feet hurt.
Last pitch, and Thomas has started. And here's the view.
There's monkey face over there.
All right, team.
We made it!
We climbed it.
We out here.
Danny led all 5 pitches.
Yeah.
Damn, that's pretty good.
Thanks.
And here comes
Kookz
Neil.
on the wall, yeah, Kookz on the wall. You better not follow her, Kookz on the wall.
Takes a twin foot swinger.
That would. Kook on the wall, yeah, Kook on the wall. Lynn's the last kook on the wall, but she's not gonna fall because she's the last kook on the wall, and all cooks fall together.
500 feet of fun.
Damn, she's got like.
Good job.
We made it.
Doesn't help you to get to know.
We made it. The team is here.
We still have to traverse down.
Yeah.
So when you do this shit, you need an experienced guide like Todd.
I'll just keep smoking this.
Like a
Back and guess what? I'm not.
All right, we're back in the parking lot. Neil got his van open. The last of the Kookz to make it.
had a good poop.
So we just finished climbing at Smith Rock, our first multi-pitch that we've ever done, and actually my first legitimate time lead climbing. We're super excited about the skills that we've learned after that. The Kookz just rolled through Jenny's house, so we're gonna do all of the things that you do when you're in a house. Oh, what's up, Jenny? What's up? So good to see you.
So good to see you too. Check it out. The Kookz are here.
Parking spot.
Yeah, it's the nice patio. Look at this land. I know, welcome, welcome. The prayer flags work. All right. Well, it's nice. Just got back from Descend. Homies are coming.
Oh, hey Jenny. Where's the
Oh,
laundry detergent?
what's up, man? I think it's up there. There should be a little bit left.
Oh, sweet.
I'm gonna get my shoes off real quick. Oh. All right. What's
Hey,
up?
what's the,
Hey, oh,
I'm trying to watch that new Vankookz YouTube video. You know, it's the best stuff on YouTube.
Hey man, are you
Oh
still
damn!
showing that thing
I
on
have to go look in the back room at some
What are
crazy
the
ass
dimensions,
numbers.
If you don't mind me asking, and
Damn,
what's your
these guys
lowest
are
price?
busy. You guys working.
This digital nomad lifestyle, you wouldn't understand.
I wouldn't. I'm slow, man. What a crew! All right. Oh, we're busy in here. What's for dinner? Oh, I don't know. Whose bowl is
We
that?
have enough. This bowl, I think it came from Dynamo Baltimore.
Oh.
We're almost out of dish soap.
All right. I'm gonna go to that store. Dynamo Baltimore. Come visit me in Portland. This could be yours. Look at this. All right. Damn, nice. Getting a little laundry done.
Yeah. If it smells like farts in here, it's because we're making sauerkraut.
Oh,
It sloshes around too much in the van.
beautiful. Stinky. Beautiful. Nice. All right. Give the plant some love. Nice. What we got in here? Some yoga with Adrian. What's your guys' plan? What are you up to? I mean, where are you going next?
The future is the future, man.
That's very true. Very true. Oh yeah, Sam Van Dam, this sweatshirt I'm wearing is yours, so you know where I live. Portland, baby. At least for right now. Trying to get that van life going. Oh, someone's in here? Oh yeah, many people are in here. Check it out.
Oh, hey, what's up?
What's up?
I love your bathroom. It's so big.
All right, I know. Double sink. Oh,
I really
deodorant.
like this loofah.
Oh, damn, Kev.
Hey.
Hey, I don't even think that one's mine.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Always like and subscribe if you like to see some more kooky videos. We'll catch you later. Thanks, Jenny.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Oh, me.
Let's just leave it at that. Barbara, you